What's the meaning of carport? Carport. Carport.
Carport. Carport. A carport is a roofed structure used to provide limited protection to vehicles, primarily cars, from rain and snow. Unlike an enclosed garage, a carport does not have walls, providing ventilation and preventing heat buildup. Carports are typically stand-alone structures, but can also be attached to a house or building. They can be made from various materials such as wood, metal, or plastic. Carports can be a cost-effective alternative to building a traditional garage and are often used in areas where the weather is mild or parking space is limited.